Yo, it's Kevin Chiz. This is my weekly recap and outlook for DAX, the German index. So let's just get straight into it. As you can see, this is last week, the weekly candle. It was bullish. We opened at 23,332.4, 23,332.4 and closed at 23,853.4. So quite a nice bullish week. I did kind of anticipate this as we had a big displacement down, breaker structure down on the weekly last week. So I did say I wanted last week to close or higher to just rebalance this last week. Kind of as anticipated, as you see, my levels and chosen liquidity, and all of the daily candles last week were bullish. We have got bullish, 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 bullish. So all of them are bullish. But before I break this down, first things first, we got to check the news. So last week we did have unemployment claims on Wednesday, PPI on Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. unemployment claims on Wednesday. So yeah, I am recording this on the next week. I've taken like a 3-day weekend because I was really busy. But yeah, we are back. So coming into London last week, it was good sales. It's looking like here. I'm pretty sure if you just go into the hourly, it was an hourly sweep of this high, which was just, I'll remove this. I did have a draw which got taken like instantly, which was Friday high. Let me remove that. But yeah, my whole idea for this last week was to go higher and then sell down. But the entire week we just pushed higher, which is fine because it still fits narrative. But yeah, Monday London session we did actually break past this high on the hourly, but like on the forward it's just a sweep. If you look at it on the 15, you have a nice breaker structure at 9 and then leaving behind two fair value ups here. This one nicely respected, and then obviously this one untapped. But this one gets tapped in quite a lot. Coming to Tuesday as well, but yeah, low of the day is at 11:30. Yeah, that's low of the day, gets swept on Tuesday, but still holds. I'll see what New York did, but Monday was really bad. Like, I mean, this here is decent sweep at New York Open. We come in 3 p.m. touches this liquidity here, which is like golden pocket region in the 15, and then it comes down. I mean, you could have caught it still from here to here, 160. It's fine, 160 points to this low at least. But however, very choppy Monday coming into Tuesday. I think Tuesday was one of the better days where we did sweep Monday low. Hourly was very clean. You have a nice draw for this high. It is like a Wyckoff, but it's very small, and then it runs a lot. But if you look at here on the 15, very nice miniature Wyckoff. And now we're just, yeah, that was low of the day, 9:30. I love to see it. The way it moves up here is very clean to the first row, move sideways. New York session, we even have an opportunity as well because big 15-minute failure up here, order blocks, this 15-minute order block on the hourly, it was just hourly order block, hourly fair value up, plus just like 50% retracement. So even New York session had good opportunity here, like 3 p.m. probably just pumped. That's my guess. Yeah. I want to see it's on the 5. 3 p.m. opened, steady rise. This 5-minute failure up at 45 past. Bought off of that. I'll make that blue. There's way too many lines on my screen. But I'm gonna remove the first level because that did not hold. We're kind of seeing a rejection of it now. I will remove it. We can talk about it later, but I'll remove all of my levels except for the top one because this is like the only one that kind of gave a rejection. But yeah, but that was really Tuesday. Tuesday was really nice because this daily sweep took really nice draws towards my upper levels, and yeah, these fairly ups all held in the hourly. You can see very bullish. And I want to go back into daily here because at this point, we took this daily higher, broke structure on the daily, left behind this bullish fairly up, and now we're coming to Wednesday. And all we did was just fill in a forward bullish fairly up, tap this order block on the 4 hour, and then yeah, lower the day place at 9 again, and then an OTE tap here at 12, and then price starts moving at 2:30, which is a New York session, and leaves behind this beautiful 15-minute fairly up, and then 3 p.m. open, respects that, and then pump all the way up. That's Wednesday. Thursday was a sweep, I think. Yeah. What was the news? 1:30 and yeah, Wednesday. Let's have a look at Wednesday. Wednesday 1:30. Yeah, it just came up. Price came back down. We did come back down to take that, which is nice. Just a news low. But yeah, that was Wednesday. Wednesday again. That was pretty clean day. Um, the daily's nice to always go back up to, and then yeah, I think this is Thursday. Pretty much choppy in this fall fairly up, which ultimately does take this higher, but that's like on Friday. Yeah, but London session, not really much. This is disgusting on the hourly. Well, I don't know why it's this choppy. Maybe it's just the last days, and then Friday moves a bit because it's the last day of the month. But this would have been a nice draw for sells. That was would have that was actually my initial draw for this week. Coming into this week, I wanted price to come rebalance this up move into this daily fairly up, and it literally did it on Monday. But I will talk about this level. All it is really just an hourly, or should I say daily? That's not daily high, but a 4 hour OTE tap. And you can see the reaction we've had off of it, which is good to see. But yeah, that was pretty much it for last week. I will remove all drawings. Actually, I won't do that because I can't be bothered putting all my draws back. But coming into next week now, pretty decent week, retracement week. But yeah, we are coming to December, last monthly kind of close like that, which is fine. It's like December usually we're bullish, but off of how we've moved so far on the year and the weekly, we could be bullish here. We could just have 3 big bullish weeks and go to all-time highs, but we'll see. But yeah, it is Monday. Like Monday has passed. What day is it today? Tuesday. I am recording this before London session, as you can see, so I could trade London session. This down move here again, like what 400 points. You could have caught this just from the OTE, and all it was a big displacement down. 4 hour fairly prospected, and then even on the break, you're still catching 250 points, which is nice, good enough, you know. But coming into next week, I still want sells. I want to see how this looks on the daily. Yeah, I still want sells. I do see this as just a rebalance, same as this, and I want these gaps to get filled. Then I am like more confident for buys. So I'm looking for sells. But like I said, I'm pretty busy. Levels would be this daily closed very bearish. So let's just mark out. We have this nice inverse now as well. At least up here somewhere. Like if you use an indicator, I never use an indicator on this channel, but this is a daily candle for today. Yeah, I want to look at yesterday, so that was pretty useless. I'm not gonna lie. Still up here. Yeah, okay, so we have a weak high. I might just have this as one of my levels. Around about it, which is fine. And I might just do this order block. So order block. Order blocks were nice last week as well. Order blocks are very, very good point of POI. Is it point of interest? Yep. But yeah, I'm happy with that as my first level. Draws wanna be Friday hiding a taken, which is nice. It'd be nice to take Tuesday's low. And then here to here clean range, here to here clean range. And then hopefully fill in the gaps. But it would also be nice for a weekly sweep. Fill in this gap. We didn't fill in this upper gap. I know we tapped into this last week and gave a nice reaction. But it'd be nice to fill it in and then go lower. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I might just have one level. There's no reason to have multiple realistically. Then my idea is this. Coming into this London session, which I'm gonna trade, I will tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for sells. The 4 hour is ultimately bullish at this point, yep, and the 1 hour is bearish. I think should be. I think this might be bullish. Either way, I'm bearish. You can see this 1 hour just getting respected. The candles look really small right now. We need liquidity to wake up. And I think these are good draws. This is hella overbought. As you can see, I need this taken, and the ones below taken as well. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Decent week last week. I apologize for the late video. But yeah, as for next week, looking for primarily sells. Want these weekly highs taken because that is liquidity. But yeah, that's the DAX recap. Here are my draws and levels for next week. Make this white. That's not a level. Neither is this. Alright, that's my level and draws. Draws being green lines, level being purple line. But yeah, that's it. That's my DAX recap. Keep it clean and simple. See you next week.